So another day and another iOS 13 bug, and this one has to do with your keyboard of all things. What are you guys doing to me? Let the download begin. So if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot your devices plus some other cool tech stuff, we can help. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content. So recently Apple issued a warning about a bug in iOS 13 that affects third-party keyboards, and this is for iOS 13 and iPadOS alike. So what the bug does is it gives third-party keyboard applications like Swift or Google's keyboard unprecedented full access to the user's phones. That means access to anything in your phone, including your data, your information. All that will be available because of this bug. And what really makes this bug dangerous is that it gives full access even without the user you granting that keyboard full access. So these keyboards can be granted complete access to your phone without you even knowing it. All you really have to do is install it, and the programmer has to program that particular code, taking advantage of the bug that's in the phone. Now, Apple did say pre-installed keyboards like the Apple keyboard is not affected by this bug. It's only third-party keyboards that you would download from the App Store. And the security issue is going to affect iPhones, iPads, and iPod touches. I guess some people still have iPod touches. It's basically anything that's running iOS 13 and 13.1, because 13.1, even though it did a lot to fix some of the bugs that were released initially with iOS 13, this is not one of the bugs that's being addressed. Apple just released a statement on Tuesday, so this is a fresh bug, and they did say that there's a fix incoming, but they didn't say exactly when that fix was coming. So for right now, your phone is kind of exposed if you choose to install third-party applications on your iPhone, iPad, or for like the two people out there with iPod touches. If you just use the regular Apple keyboard, this is actually not a big deal because it's not being affected. But if you're somebody like me who likes to download third-party keyboards because you want a little variety in the keyboards that you use on your iPhone, this can play a big role in the keyboards you choose to download. My suggestion would be to stick with the keyboards you know that work well and good. Some of the big names out there like Swift and Google, they're gonna make sure that their keyboards are programmed not to take advantage of this particular bug. But if you're seeing some kind of weird third-party keyboard that pops up in the App Store, I wouldn't download that keyboard until this bug gets patched. You want to keep your phone as secured as possible, so you always want to make sure you know what you're downloading into your phone. And remember, you can always check the keyboards that you have in your iPhone just by going into your settings, going into general, and you have your keyboard options there, and that will show you a list of keyboards that are already downloaded into your iPhone. And it's definitely not a stretch to say that iOS 13 has been a little bit of a buggy mess for Apple. We're hoping that everything kind of gets cleaned up as we go along. We start rolling out some more updates. The hope is that this is the last video we'll do about iOS 13 bugs. We've done quite a few already, and a lot of people have commented on the issues that they're having. Hopefully this is the last one, but I doubt it. Yeah. So do you use third-party keyboards? And if so, are you worried about this particular bug in iOS 13? Have you already upgraded to iOS 13? Go ahead and share those thoughts and comments in the comment section below this video. Also share any questions you have in the comment section as well. Like I said, we've done a lot of videos on iOS 13, so these are just a couple of choices that you can pick from. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell for notification so you know when we release some cool, helpful content like this one. Until next time, guys. Peace.